Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Amazulu 1. I'm joined by Mr. Hannis.
Still.
Yeah.
Kumnandi but kubuhlungu kwabanye. I'm sorry to say.
Kumnandi kuwe.
Kumnandi ke kubuhlungu kwabanye. Still kunento engangiphathanga kahle. Bayenza ukuthi amafans wethu abukeke kabi. What happened to Kabelo is not nice. Just urging everyone that when they're coming here, they must come for the interview. Not ukuthi bazele ukuzokhutuza abantu. It's very wrong. They're making amafans look very bad.
True.
And you have made everyone to be famous, but people are they just want to take your name down the drain, which is very bad.
Yes.
Whoever did that, whatever he did to Kabelo, I wish he can just, wherever he's sitting, he can just rectify that mistake and come to his or her senses to bring the stuff back. He knows where to find you guys, just to bring the stuff back. Let's just be honest, guys. Okay, asikho lapho Stibos.
Sure.
Sise FNP lamhlanje. Yeah. So, Stibo, you know, I always say this, but people don't believe me. These coaches are destroying our football.
Yeah.
Stibo, you can't take someone out who is carrying the team on his shoulders and leave the person who is not performing in the field for the almost the entire of the whole game.
Yes.
What was Pulemodi doing? Nothing.
Yeah.
You pull out Ngobo, you pull out Mtu. Those are the people putting pressure to the opponent.
True.
So in other ways, you are allowing the opponent to come at you.
Yes.
But anyway, I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. But I'm sorry to say this, but let the truth be told. Let the truth be told.
It should be.
Yes.
It should be.
If it wasn't for Hawks, Mtetwa, people always look at that man down. But what he did today, you know, that guy, let's just be honest, for me, the way he performed, he deserves a call up to Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
At least Kaizer Chiefs can have a player to represent Bafana for a change. Yeah, at least.
There are a lot of players.
There are a lot of players. Yeah. But you know what? At the same time, we blame the coaches. What are the players doing in the field? You know, the coach can say so much to a certain level. But when you are in the field, you need to show that what you are doing, you love. And you need to, you know, there's no any other team around the country which has so loyal supporters like Kaizer Chiefs. These people, they are always there, even if they are not performing, even if they are doing bad, if they are doing bad. But you know, they're the best. They always come.
Hallelujah.
But they always come. But it's so sad for them. They must come to the happy family.
And the 57.
They
play good football, but they are not the best.
They must support us.
The 57.
But that's why I say, you know what? Always to be hating every day.
Yes.
Come and feel some excitement.
Where?
You know.
Definitely.
You know where you can feel the excitement? In Atteridgeville. You know what? I'm just saying.
No, it's impossible.
There's no one there.
But
okay, it's possible free then.
But there's no one.
Impossible.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's only you just walk away from.
We'll come. When you see us, recognize us.
I'll definitely do that. Yeah, Batlokena Mahal. That's the only first team in, actually, in Africa. Not only in South Africa. That you go into the stadium for free.
Yes.
Not only playing the local football, playing with the teams from, you know.
It can be for free.
Exactly.
Someone
But they need to understand that.
To be free.
To be honest, you know what?
But
Chiefs must go back to the drawing board. Because if they keep on performing like this, missing opportunities which are not there, they will regret at the end of the year. Yes.
Yeah,
because they get the opportunities which they are not supposed to get. Because the level of performance, the way they are performing, they don't deserve those.
He deserves the opportunity.
They don't deserve the opportunity. They don't deserve those opportunities. But Steve,
Let me clarify things. Steve, I'm gonna ask you a very simple question. Who's gonna take account for this game? Who's gonna be accountable for this game? Zero. You don't have any answers.
Just the assistant coaches.
No, like everyone is running around. Like you need to comprehend that Kaizer Chiefs is beyond. Kaizer Chiefs on its own is beyond a team that we are seeing on the pitch. Kaizer Chiefs, it's a corporate company that makes very serious snacks. You know, things that you cannot get. You see, but let me be short and sweet. Ne? So what you need to understand that we need someone who's gonna be accountable. We don't have to go outside. We don't have to have this impulse that we are always having.
Yeah.
Like I cannot deprive or whoever that's wanna speak or share his opinion. But I can say Orlando Pirates had a Rivero from overseas, but they had that guy from Spain.
Yeah.
So like when someone is coming from Spain, if you watch football, you could understand what's gonna happen.
Yeah, totally.
But now we need a coach.
It's serious, man.
Like we need a coach, someone that is gonna take account on the board. You understand? Like I want you to share this on TikTok, YouTube, each and every platform. Please give me 30 seconds. Gaston Serino lost the pen, like he missed the penalty. Why he was on bench today? It doesn't make any sense. Like it doesn't make any sense.
Steve, just on closing, you know what? Chiefs must be thankful today for Hawks. If it wasn't for him, that man worked tirelessly.
Oxtail.
Yes, Oxtail Mteto.
Oxtail.
You know what? He did his utmost best.
But
But that's good. It's good for them. Good bashawe more because I don't want to.